So let's go ahead and we're gonna get started here.
Who do you want to turn it off first?
Yep. All right, Tony. 1, 2, and 3. Today is Wednesday, November the 2nd, and here we have the FCOG61HV board that it's going to be sent to PACMAC so that this EP1026 pulse module is tested. Notice that on this board we have only one pulse module installed. We have sockets, and the sockets we'll leave them. You, Francisco, can remove them and just have the pads, and from there you can bring in flying leads so that you can test it whichever fastest way you consider it. I've seen the setup that you've done for the EP1024, or if you wanted to, you can just seat them in this pulse modules, clean them in the sockets when it's convenient for you. So we're sending you this board. We have the output. We have the plus A and the minus A output for this pulse module. We're going to show you the plus A, and keep in mind that this has different connections, but really all you could do is just remove this plug and just come in between gate and cathode and take a look at the open circuit signals. So we have a test box just like yours. We're going to be sending you this adapter that has from 12 to 15 positions. We're only using the ones that you need, and all we do is bring in our phase references on J. What J is that, Tony?
J8.
J8. Here we have a couple of test points. Really, you don't need them. You know, and the simpler you keep it. So we are powering this board with 30 volts DC. So let's go ahead and power the board, Tony. So Tony's power the board. Because he's using the box, he already triggered the phase loss, and he already enabled. And you can just come in here and enable, soft enable, and he also has, where's your Sakai right here, right, Tony? That will change the delay angle. Again, something you don't need. So you got your adapter and basically the output that we could just look at it here with an oscilloscope. This box, it's looking at that signal through the BNC, so we set it up in the lab. We can do that, and probably at the end of the video I'm going to show you how we can just get rid of this and just measure the output. And we can have two outputs here, well, two different conditions for the output. We have a resistor that loads the SCR, or we can just eliminate the resistor from the circuit and look at the open circuit output. One of the things we're going to do is we're going to take a couple of shots under different conditions, and we're going to send them out to you. Also, take a look at this jumper. This is JU1. JU1 will change the profile, and that's just something to keep in mind if you ever remove it, or if you ever change it, or if you ever lose it, it's fine. So overall, you get this board, you're gonna get this adapter. You don't need these plugs. You're not gonna get any pulse modules. Only this pulse module is sitting in socket, and you already have a test box. And of course, Tony and I will be available for any questions that you may have. This is the end of the setup video. In the next video, we're going to show you how what kind of output you should get, and again, we're going to send you oscilloscope shots of what should be, so that you don't have to take a look at the video, but you can just look at them in your computer. So this is the end of this video.